Yo, what's good everybody? So today we got another unboxing. Today's the Google Chromecast. This is nothing new. This has been out for a while, but it's $35 now. And this is the quickest and cheapest way you could turn that old flat screen TV into something much better. So this comes in the box. I'm generally shocked and surprised on how small it is. Wow. This does not...
No.
Okay.
I can't see.
So, in the box, we have the Google Chromecast itself on top. Wow. Look how small this is, guys. This is extremely small. I thought it'd be at least like hockey puck size. This is the HDMI. This plugs up in the back of your TV. And it has a micro USB where you plug it up. So you're going to have this powered on where you're using it. Here's the power button. Turn it on. See if it does anything. I don't think. Whoops. I thought I seen a little light. Might have been wrong. Oh, well, maybe we have to plug it on first. But let's see if there's anything else in it. So take this out. What? It actually comes with the power brick. That's pretty cool. Wasn't suspecting that. Let's see. It's upside down. So here's the power brick. Here's a really long cable. This is the power cord. Here's the power cord, really long one. It's connected at this right here. Oh, I guess it just comes off. It's like 6 feet long. Has a little thing right here. And it looks like that's pretty much it. We have some instructions. Be safe out there and try to get stuff started. And that's it. So we're gonna hook this up. Oh yeah, so let me tell you real quick what's really cool about this. It supports Google Photos, so if you have anything backed up on Google Photos, you can watch it from your TV, which is pretty nice. And it has all these other stuff too as well. Alright guys, so if you like this video, you know what to do. Please like and other stuff.
I thought you watched where you're going.
God, it reeks!
Oh, I'm sorry. I've been here for days.
Get up, get up!